Hey guys, welcome back. So today we're going to create this box. It's like an envelope box to hold the card that I made the other day, which was my 3D card, fancy fold, the one with the floating butterflies. Usually I get requests like how you're going to give this to your friend or whatever. So I made this box and this box fits perfectly. You see that? So you could even embellish it more because even you see how much room it has. It's super easy to make. This box is totally inspired by Bona. She created a video, I think it was 2013. So it's one of her older videos, which is perfect. So we're going to do one together. But look, you know what that means? Every time you see this, get ready because you're going to be screenshotting. Okay, so what we're going to do is called the envelope card box. Okay, so let's see so you guys can screenshot it. These are all the measurements. I did a little diagram so you see where we're going to cut, where we're going to add the glue, but we're going to make one together. Okay, so hopefully you got that screenshot and let's get started. Okay, so everything I already scored, but I'm just going to show you real quick. Okay, so you're going to need a piece of cardstock that measures 12 inches by 9 3/4. Okay, your first score mark is going to be at 1 3/4, at 8, and 9 3/4. You're going to turn it around on your 9 3/4 inch side, and we're scoring it at 1 3/4 and at 8. Okay, once that was scored, you're gonna fold all your score marks. And I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna try to do this kind of fast, so obviously you take your time. And it's so easy. It's perfect for those dimensional cards. Okay. So we're just folding all the score marks. Did I do this one? No. Okay. Okay, so once everything is, I'm gonna do it this way. The one that has these two score marks, this is your front. So you see, we're gonna cut those two squares. So we're getting rid of this, we're getting rid of that, we're getting rid of this, and we're getting rid of that. Okay, so let's cut that off. And just cutting that off. Let's cut that one off. I'm looking at what I'm cutting and I'm looking at my phone. Okay, so it's going to look like that. These two right here, all we're going to do is cut a slit. So just cut a slit and just cut a slit. Okay, and this is where if you want to corner around these, you do it now. So they're nice and rounded. Okay, so it's going to look like that. Okay, we put that one on the side. The next one, the next piece of paper, you're going to need you need a piece of paper that's 9 3/4 by 8. Okay. On the 9 3/4 side, we're going to score at 1 3/4 and at 8. On the 8-inch side, we're going to score at 6 1/4. Okay? Once you got that scored, let's fold all your pieces, all your score marks. Okay. I'm going to score that. And that is this one right here. And you see it's telling me to cut these two corners. So we're cutting this one and we're cutting that one. Okay? So just cut that off. And we're cutting this one off. And that's it. Now we're going to put the box together. So what you want to do is this piece right here, we're gluing it here. Okay? So add your glue or your tape or whatever you want to do. Just adding glue. And we're gluing that piece there because that's the bottom. Okay. These two flaps, add glue. Add glue. And we're gluing it there. Okay. Once that's down, we're going to glue the panels. And again, guys, I'm doing this really quick, but you guys get what I'm doing. Okay. Close your box. And you close your sides. Guys, and that is it. You have your box. You see? Super, super easy. And there's my card. Fits perfectly. And you're done. Here you could do a hole punch. You could put Velcro. You could do whatever you want. But I hope you guys like it. Give it a try. And I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.